Today we're gonna add the motion blur effect onto this video, or I should say movie scene, in Premiere Pro. This is gonna take just a few seconds from your time, so here we go. First, go to the project panel and click on this button. Click on adjustment layer, click OK, and drag it on top of your video. Now go to the effects panel and search for the transform effect. Apply it to the adjustment layer, and once you've done that, go to the effect controls panel and under transform, uncheck this box right here. And change the shutter angle to 360 so we can have a smooth motion blur effect. Now put the thumb indicator where you want the zoom in to start happening, and then click on the scale stopwatch. Move 20 frames forward and increase the scale value to add the zoom in effect. After that, select these two keyframes and right click them. Click on ease in, right click them again, and then choose ease out. Next, click on this arrow, zoom in a little bit if you need to, and basically drag these two dots closer to each other to make a wave in the middle. And that should create the motion blur effect. And to zoom this video out, put the time indicator where you want that to happen, keyframe this exact point, move 20 frames forward, and reset the scale value. Again, to smooth up the animation, ease both keyframes in and out, and make a wave in the middle. That's about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.